A warm welcome to my channel. Well friends, in today's video we will be discussing something about the Adani group stocks. Well, why I have taken up this topic is because I have got a lot of queries from a lot of my subscribers and my followers that what next is on cards, because the thing is, the way the Adani stocks have corrected after this Heidenberg's report of shorting position, whatever they have created and all those things. So all the major seven stocks, if you see, which I am sharing on the screen right now, Adani Green actually closed at 20% lower circuit, Adani Transmission again 20%, Adani Total Gas Limited 20%, Adani Entertainment Enterprises, that's again 18.52%. It actually went to lower circuit of 20%, then before closing it actually gave some up move, but again we can consider it 20% as well. Adani Ports, similar story, from 20 it closed at 16%, and finally Adani Power and Adani Wilmar Limited, both of them closed at 5%, which is the circuit limit for both of them. So all the seven stocks, if you see, approximately 1 lakh crore rupees is what the net value that Adani Group as a whole have lost. Now overall, if you see, because the Adani stocks or Adani group is not performing, the related industries, be it petroleum, be it cement, be it construction, everything is actually gone down. And all these things depend upon the banking sector as well, because when a big company does any business, they actually fetch the capital from the banks and then they deploy that fund, right? So the related banks, specifically the PSU banks, has also corrected. So what exactly is happening and what we can do going forward, what are the levels, those are the things that we are going to discuss in today's video. So let's quickly discuss all the seven stocks. So first of all, we are going to discuss Adani Enterprise Limited. So this stock was somewhere around 4,000 rupees when it actually started the down move. Then the news came in and it finally came down to 2761. So if you see, the RSI is somewhere around like 5 or 6 now, which is extremely oversold zone, and the stock has corrected approximately from 4,000 to 2700. It's like 1,300 rupees. So you can consider like 35 to 40% the stock has corrected. Now what is actually the levels that you should be keeping in mind? So first thing is, the Adani current market price is 2760, correct, which is the closing price. So any pullback till 3150 is on the cards, because it's something is going to happen tomorrow when the market opens, because it's an extremely oversold zone. So people are definitely going to add some positions here, and you can definitely see some up move from this level where it actually has closed. So you will definitely see somewhere it is moving up to this level, right? So 3100 is something that you should keep in mind. 3100, 3150 is some levels that you should watch. If it crosses that level, you can actually do some short selling and then again book some profit, because as of now, until unless this news is cleared, the revised report or the response from Adani Group comes in, you'll not definitely see a sharp up move, right? So we have to get the maximum of this situation, whatever we are in now. From investing point of view, people who are invested in the stock, obviously this is what the level is that you should be keeping in mind, that is 2400. So until unless 24 is not broken, you can actually still hold on to the position, but obviously after this level, which is 2200, 2300 level is broken, it actually reaches up to the previous support level. After that, it will actually again correct and go beyond 2000 level. So you have to keep in mind this 2100, 2200 level is the benchmark. After that, if it goes beyond, definitely it's not a very good news for the company and you should be exiting your position. That is what my suggestion would be. Now a lot of people are asking, it has corrected a lot, so shall we buy? If you ask me, I definitely have faith on this group, whatever the debt is and whatever the news is coming, and so these kind of things are always part and parcel of the business. As a shareholder or as an investor, I should be looking after opportunities where actually stock has corrected and I can make some money out of it. So definitely, if you ask me, I am going to buy in every dips possible. I have bought all the seven stocks on Friday, and if there are further corrections, I'll be buying them same on Monday as well. Now let's go to the next one, which is Adani Ports. Similar story. Adani Port is trading somewhere around at 596. It was somewhere around 800, 900 rupees in December, early December. You see, from 900 it's gone to 597, so 600, almost 50% correction the stock has actually given. Similar story, the RSI here is also beyond 10. So it has definitely in the oversold zone for sure. Now the traders, if there is any rise till 670, just exactly how you have done in Adani. So if there is a rise till 670 level, right, so 670 is somewhere around this support level. So if I draw this, so basically this support level, if you see somewhere around, if it goes up, then you can actually do some shorting. But from investing point of view, you can actually add your position if you get something in this level, so which is somewhere around 600 rupees. So in the range of 600 to 620, 630, if you get any price in that range, then definitely it's a good buying price. You see the previous breakout was also in the similar level, wherein it was actually moving in the same bracket, and then it has actually gone down because of this news. So this range is going to be the toughest support and resistance for this company. Now the next one we have is Adani Green. Adani Green, similar story. Pretty much every stock has gone down by 50% almost. So 2956, 3000 rupees, and it is trading at 1500. So exactly 50% it has gone down. So Adani Green, for investors, a rise till 1700 should be used to exit, or else you will have a massive fall down, because the 1700 level is something which you can see again as part of this bounce back. That is the previous level where it has touched, but if it breaks this level, then there is actually no support available. So next support is going to be below 1000 level. So this Adani Green as a whole is pretty tricky because most likely it will see some more correction on it, because all of the other group stocks, they are in the RSI level of less than 10, which is extremely oversold. But Adani Green is still not in that zone. It's still in 25-30 RSI level, so it can see some more correction in it, right? Next one we have is Adani Transmissions. If Adani Transmission we talk about, so Adani Transmission, it has corrected from 4000 to 2000, again a 50% correction we have seen. So if you want to have some bounce back, so this is where it has actually given this level. Let me draw it for you. Yeah, you can see this level where it has actually exited, and it's given a breakout from here, right? So this is somewhere you can sell if you get the same price at opening, and then you can book some intraday profit. But if you are actually looking after some investment, then this is the range wherein you will actually have to wait, and it's a massive level, right? And you never know, because if there is no clarification from the board, you can also see this level. But having said that, I am definitely not going to lose hope, and I'm definitely buy whenever I get it in better range, right? So next one we discuss about is Adani Power. So this is one of the most talked about stock, I believe, because I have made numerous videos in this stock, because from the level when it was trading somewhere around 60-70 rupees, from the level it went to 400 rupees. So it has actually given 6 to 7 times return to the investors. But if you are still holding on to it, it has corrected 50%, and it's continuously on a lower circuit spree. It is also in oversold zone, but again 250 is something, it is a level which is actually reached to the previous support level. Below this, there is actually, if you look into the chart, there is no support at all, and it will again go back to the level where it has actually given a breakout, which was somewhere around 145 rupees. So there is a massive potential for the stock to go down, I would say, at this stage, because overall the power sector is not doing well. So this is something that you have to keep in track, this range. The last second company, which is Adani Total Gas Limited. Adani Total Gas Limited has not corrected that much as compared to the other stocks. So 2600 is the level that bulls can see, but any rise till 3200 again is a level where you can actually exit something here, 3200 rupees level. But 2600 is somewhere wherein the breakout was given, so you can actually see this level, and if you are an investor, you can look forward to buy at that price. 2600 should be your buy price. The last one we are talking about is Adani Wilbur Limited. Obviously you don't have a long chart, because this is a recently it's not very old company, right? So at the max, what you can see is it actually can go back to the IPO levels, which is somewhere around 500. At this stage, it is also following the same trend as Adani Power. It is also into the continuously lower circuit mode, but that is what the range is, which it can go up to 500 rupees level. So you don't see the level there, right? So it's what I'm talking about, the IPO level at which the IPO was listed. So keep in track of this level, and I hope all these stocks which I have discussed and all the levels that I have given you, you should be keeping in mind. But having said that, if you have capital, I would still suggest just do some SIP kind of thing, maybe buy one stock of each company every day or every alternate day and something like that, because this is a big group. It's not a random XYZ company which is going to be shut down, like something not like that. That's what I'm hoping. So as an investor, as a retail investor, not as a trader, as an investor, obviously, I'm looking forward for short covering in future, and definitely looking forward to make some money out of this group. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to the channel, share this video as far as possible, and if you have still any doubts, any queries on any levels and anything, put in your comment. I read all your comments and I respond to all the comments that is there. I'll try to respond as soon as possible and help you as much as I can. I'll be back with something informational. Till then, if you want to follow me on social media, you can also follow me on Twitter and Telegram. The links are given in the description. Thank you so much.